Hi there, Andrew Reed here from Victoria, BC, and beautiful day today, and we're going to talk about seed money. So seed money is basically a philosophy of investing and one that should be done as frequently as possible. So it's so typical that people will take whatever extra money that they might have and spend it on themselves and in the way of consumption, right? Something extra from Starbucks or something like that. And not saying that that's not wrong. You should definitely reward yourself for a job well done. Treat yourself for all the hard work that you do, but ultimately, at least 50%, if not more, of that spare income should be going to planting money seeds because you want to grow your money tree. So, two ways of doing this. We're going to talk about both of them. There's probably more ways than two, but we're going to talk about two main ways of doing this. And you can do this with as little as a couple of dollars at a time. Even as little as $1 if you're in Canada and you have a Wealthsimple account. Check out the link in the description. Okay, so number one way, and I use both of these ways. Number one way is dividend paying stocks. Grow stocks, yes or no? You don't actually know if they're going to grow or not. Most likely, sure, but that's up to you if you want to take those chances. That's not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about stocks that pay you to own them. So they might pay monthly, they might pay quarterly. But if you invest in these stocks, and there's some as cheap like as $1.80 right now, DIV on the Toronto Stock Exchange pays 1 penny per share that you own every single month, which is an 8% return. And it's $1.80 right now. So if you have an extra $2, you plant this little money seed, and it's paying you a single penny in your investment account every single month. So just owning one of these little money trees doesn't really add up to too much. But you buy another one of these $1.80 stocks every single month, and it starts adding up. Then you start adding your money trees into a money forest. All of these money trees in your money forest are making money for you. So that's one of the best ways. Just keep buying these dividend stocks. You spend $6 on a Starbucks coffee, or at least I've been known to do that, then that is at least 3 of those DIV stocks, or one or some other stock that might have an even higher return. Okay, so dividend paying stocks. Definitely one of the ways. Number 2, investing in your own business. So really important here that you have a business plan, that you actually know that this is going to be a profitable business. Otherwise, you're just sinking your money. So if you're investing $1,000, $2,000 into some niche business that costs more to produce the product than you're actually going to get out of it, this can actually be mapped out in advance. By using a business plan, you can calculate at what point will you be turning profits, how much profits will you make, what's your return on investment, how much time are you going to have to put into this business, what are you going to have to do to grow, what are the risk factors. All this should be mapped out in advance before you start planting these particular money seeds. But they don't always have to be as complicated as a full-time business. So there are businesses like YouTube, for example, where you can invest a relatively tiny amount and you'll probably get the relative returns, but it is a smaller amount. So you can start planting the YouTube seeds, start YouTubing about things you know about, kind of like I'm doing right now. I do this on multiple channels, and in time this will generate a trickle of investments. Okay, so we have the 2 ways where you can take these money seeds, build money trees. This is the way to go. Okay, best of luck to all of you beginning investors out there. May the market force be with you.